Namita Pramod is a beautiful actress who is extremely critically appreciated for many different roles that she's done, especially the recently released movie of hers called Law Point gained a lot of critical appreciation. Now, talking about her movies, she's extremely busy and has been traveling and doing movies back to back, and ഒരുപാട് traveling ke kaaranam she's really needing a break right now. And so, well, unfortunately for her fans, but not for too long, she's planning to take a break, but not much, just 1 or 2 months maximum, and she will be back on the set of the next movie in December. Well, of course, it's an extremely good thing to take a break in the midst of her career. That is, career peak. Imagine an actress getting out for a while. Of course, in our life, we need family, we need friends, we need work. Well, we need to have a balance of it all. And this is also a message for the other actresses who are trying really hard, to get some movie at least. Well, Namita, we really appreciate you for all the efforts that you've been taking. Well, girl, you definitely need this break. Most of the actresses today end up leaving their education aside and prioritizing their movie career. Of course, ഒരുപാട് opportunities when they come knocking on your door, you tend to neglect your career and your education for that matter. Well, talking about one such actress is Meera Nandan. Well, what we have to say is she is going to pursue her education and is also pursuing her mass communication and journalism from Manipal University. Well, this is through distance education. Of course, it's a really big deal to continue your studies no matter how great you become in life. Of course, she says she's always wanted to be a journalist as she is quite outspoken as a person. Well, what Page 3 feels is the year 2014 adhigam movies endayalum onnu illallo. Appo endayalum you have to pursue your education karanam we always need a backup plan, don't we? Shobana is an extremely gorgeous actress and a beautiful dancer. Of course, so graceful. If there is one person to associate with the word diva, and that is Shobana. Of course, many of us absolutely love her. Now, talking about Shobana, she has remained unmarried for so many years and also adopted a baby girl. There was some speculations in the paper saying that she was in a relationship with some so-called person, well, quite a famous person, and that person cheated her, he got married to somebody else, and that person is living a perfectly happy married life right now. Well, that is why Shobana is not getting married, and also recently she shared screen space with this same person. Well, what Page 3 feels is, you know what, don't let any person dampen your hopes. Come on, even in Hollywood, the oldest of actors always have a second chance. You need not sit back home. You definitely have a chance at a good life if you really want to. Well, Page 3 wants to give you all the courage and all the support that you need. Vijay's Kathi is getting extremely close to the 100 crore mark because as of now the total collection is around 70 crores at the box office. Well, talking about Vijay, he desperately needed a good hit. Karanam anganathe oru mega bumper super duper hit has not been delivered ever since his last movie. Well, unlike the old days, also considering because Surya's movie Anjan couldn't make that big a mark at the box office, so Vijay really needed to shine out bright, and he definitely managed to do so. Of course, in this situation, in case Vijay couldn't do this at this movie, well, it would have gone quite bad for him. Literally take a kathi and whatever. But of course, now everyone's happy. Vijay's happy, Vijay's fans are happy, and also the producers are happy, and all of us are definitely happy. Amala Paul is a beautiful looking girl who started her career with the Malayalam film industry but later migrated into the Tamil industry and is doing really well. Of course, she got married to director Vijay, and it's been quite some time. Her marriage was the headlines of practically every news tabloid in town. Well, talking about Amala Paul, now we took a piece of her Facebook account and we are actually quite wondering whether she is pregnant. Yes, the cat is out of the kitty, and now we are wondering whether she's pregnant because of certain posts that she put on her Facebook account. Well, one particular post, she said that she wasn't careful, but she got something that she was always wishing for. And the next thing that she said is Vijay gave her the most beautiful gift that any woman could ask for. Now, we haven't gotten any update from Vijay, her husband, but of course, you are actually wondering whether this is the whole reason behind it. Well, babe, if you're really looking at motherhood and you're prepared for it, we wish you all the very best. But if not, we're actually quite wondering which way your career will go, whether it will go uphill or whether it will go downhill. Well, whatever it is, we're really happy for you. Katrina Kaif, the long-legged lass, was looking so striking in the movie Bang Bang. Of course, I'm quite sure practically all the guys who went to watch the movie would have had their jaws dropped. Now, of course, talking about Katrina Kaif and doing really well at the box office, she has 2 upcoming movies lined up in her career. Pakshe, she's falling a little behind in the competition. Now, either Deepika Padukone, Allah, but it's definitely a newbie who is giving her tough competition. Well, this is none other than Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt is giving her tough competition because all the brand endorsements that Katrina Kaif had initially are all going straight away to Alia Bhatt, because the people believe, that is, the companies believe, that she has a much more stronger fan base with the youth than Katrina Kaif. Well, of course, Page 3 feels that Katrina Kaif is growing a little bit older, but you don't have to worry. It's time to change your strategy a little bit and look hot and gorgeous. Of course, babe, you have it all in you. You just need to remarket and work it out a bit more. I'm sure you'll reach the top of the charts very soon. Sonakshi Sinha will be seen in an upcoming movie called Action Jackson. Now, this is the directorial venture of the dancer, choreographer Prabhu Deva. Of course, he's a beautiful actor too. Now, in this movie, we will see Ajay Devgan, Sonakshi Sinha, Yami Gautam and Manaswi in the lead roles. Recently, they had the promotional event for this movie, but Sonakshi Sinha was not present at that movie. Now, of course, all questions were raised and they were wondering why she wasn't seen, because especially on that same day, she was seen at a party which was thrown by Ekta Kapoor. Now, people are actually wondering why. Well, the organizers have to say that she wasn't quite happy with the importance that she was given in the posters, and because of which she decided to step back. But of course, we're really wondering whether there is something more than meets the eye. Now, recently we also saw on Facebook there were many selfies that were posted with Yami Gautam and Manaswi, but Sonakshi Sinha also posted pictures on her separate account, but there were no posters or pictures together. Now, okay, probably there was some catfight or there was some issue that happened between the lead actresses. Well, irrespective, I think you should sort yourselves out. Well, anyway, Sonakshi Sinha, you remain untouched because, of course, you're on a much higher level than all these girls anyway. Farah Khan's directorial venture Happy New Year has got 150 crores in the first 6 days. Now, this is not only doing well in India but also on the international market. Now, this is quite impressive, isn't it? Of course, with Shah Rukh Khan in the lead role, you cannot expect anything but this. And considering the amount of promotions that they were doing for the movie and the rigorous work and the dance and the choreography and everything about it, well, of course, this is definitely going to reach the 200 crore mark. And that is what the speculation is next. Well, we are also seeing that Salman Khan was considered to be the biggest pioneer of the 100 crore club. And now, of course, Shah Rukh Khan has decided that he's not going to step anywhere behind. He's definitely going to be in the competition. And this is heading for 200 crores. Well, Page 3 wishes the team of Happy New Year all the way west. Well, my dear folks, that's all for this week. Remember to write into us. Our email ID is page3onkapatv@gmail.com. I don't have to tell you to look stylish because I'm sure whoever has been bitten by the fashion bug will definitely go all crazy all over the place. But remember, it's extremely important to maintain a balance between classy and glamorous. Well, of course, go out, have fun, and I will see you next week. It's me, Shanu, saying bye-bye.